One of the coolest features of working with graphs is the ability that you have to change the graph type at any time. The default graph type is the column graph, but you can change this to a stacked column graph where the value of each item is represented by the size of its column. You can also switch to a bar graph, which has the values along the top or bottom, and which extends the data off in horizontal bars. There is also an option for a stacked bar graph, which is similar to the stacked column graph, only oriented differently. The line graph represents each item as distinct values, and each point has a unique color that lets you distinguish between the different categories. The area graph is similar to the line graph, only it colors in sections below so that you can see the rise between the different data points. The point graph clusters up all of the data into various point groups. The pie graph represents each category as a separate graph, with each data value showing its piece of the whole. Overall, the size for each category represents the total. Finally, the radar graph shows the values as concentric circles and maps them up according to the categories. Notice also that the options are different for each graph type, and you can access these options here at the bottom of the graph type dialog box.